everybody, welcome to Hands on Science, where if you ever need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Carr.
And this is Mel.
Hey Carr.
Hey Mel.
Hey, speaking of places to be.
And cool places to be. We are visiting some friends at Midnight Science Club. Woo-hoo! So what's up with this?
What's up with this? Well, we are going to have a boat race.
Okay.
Using this tray of water.
Okay.
2 foil boats.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Like,
how do you think we're going to power the boats?
But I have a feeling that's not the answer.
Good try.
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
No. Okay. So water, like the surface of the water is like a surface tension, right? So to break up the tension is we're going to use some soap.
Okay.
Dish soap, any kind of soap.
Okay.
We're just going to need something to put the soap on, so if you could pass that.
Yep.
Yep, so I'm just using paper cup.
Yep.
Anything.
Just put a little on the top.
Just a little dab. I'm going to use a Q-tip, and I gave you
I was wondering what the skewers
were
for.
some tops of the skewers or like leftovers from an activity that we did. So I'm just going to put a couple drops. One for you, one for me.
Okay.
Okay, very, very, very little. All right. So, depending on which way we want the boats to go, that's where we're gonna place the soap on the opposite end. If we wanted to go this way, yep, we're gonna go this way, and it should move that way. If we wanted to go this way, we'll probably move it this way, and you know,
my boat's having an issue.
So let me try mine. I'm gonna dip mine first, and I'm going to make mine smooth. Whoa.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
so you may need
cool.
to add more soap.
Okay.
Once you do that, mine's turning a little to the other way.
Oh, that's cool.
So wherever I want it to go directionally, we just, Okay, so let's...
Well, my boat's still having issues.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, that's
there
cool.
we go.
And you can kind of go... Well, and it's not just behind. You can kind of go to the side.
The side,
you can
right.
Steer it.
You can steer it.
That's so cool.
Yeah, isn't that
and
cool?
I'm not trying to push it. I'm
you're
just sticking my little skewer in the water.
Yeah. And if it stops moving, that means you kind of have soap.
Yeah, we might have
around
a little too much soap in there.
Yeah,
Got it. That's super cool.
Cool.
Neat. So I like this activity. I think we should get some new water and maybe fix up our boats a little bit and try again for sure. But guys, if you liked this activity as much as I did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, subscribe for more Hands on Science. We'll see you next time.
Bye.